Meaning of F A O Schwarz.
F A O Schwarz.
F A O Schwarz.
F A O Schwarz.
F A O Schwarz. F A O Schwarz is an American toy retailer which was founded in 1862. The store is known for its high-end toys and exclusive merchandise, as well as its iconic flagship store on Fifth Avenue in New York City. The name FAO stands for Frederick August Otto, the name of the company's founder. Schwarz is the name of the original partner who joined the business in 1870. Overall, FAO Schwarz is a historic and well-respected toy company that has become synonymous with quality and luxury in the toy industry.